How to add marketplace to Facebook. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of TechTube. If you don't know how you can access the marketplace option on your Facebook, then in this video I'm going to show you how it's done. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's get right into it. Open up your app of Facebook and tap on the menu on the top right, and under all shortcuts you should be able to see an option called marketplace. You can tap on see more, and somewhere here you'll be able to see an option of marketplace. If you don't see the marketplace option right here, that means your profile does not yet have the marketplace option. Now this could be because of a few reasons. The first reason could be that your age of Facebook is less than 18. If that is the case, you can always change the age of your Facebook account and make it at least 18 years. Once that is done, you should have the marketplace option showing up right here. The second reason may be that marketplace is not available in your country. So if you're in a country or location where Facebook does not give access or give the feature of marketplace, that option would not show up. Or it could also be that your phone is outdated. If you have any older versions of any phone, whether it be Android or iPhone, the marketplace option would not show up. So that's all it takes to add in marketplace to Facebook. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.